Hello, everyone. Once again, I am here in front of the camera. The more times we do this, I am getting a little bit more comfortable in doing these videos. Before, I would really shy away, but in understanding how important this is to be an effective teacher and an effective communicator, you definitely have to be comfortable with making videos and speaking in front of an audience. In reference to the website, the InLearning website, I found that they had a lot of useful online, I don't want to say courses, but just little things that you can learn from information. They have different continuing education units, and it has a variety amount of things that you can learn. So when I went into the search box, I tried to just like search things that was related to being a good teacher and being a good speaker. So I found when I did the productive educator, and it's just basically it had leading productive meetings, leading productive one-on-one meetings, video production and editing basics for us. And all of these things are very helpful because as we get further into our career as an educator, we will have to learn how to do things that probably none of us thought that we could do. Especially me, I am not tech savvy, so I tend to shy away from a lot of like recording, especially video production. But I definitely am going to look in at this video to see and try to get some knowledge, and hopefully that would help me. I also looked up being a good communicator and how to deal with difficult people. So as you can see, they have a variety of different subjects that you can kind of just search to see. I'm going to put effective. So as you can see, as I start typing in effective, you have an effective public speaker, communication, listening, which is very important, even how to write an effective business emails. So I'm definitely going to bookmark this website so I can go into it, especially like once I graduated school, to just kind of do some self teaching. It also talks about self evaluations, how to be a good co-worker, how to deal with difficult people. I found that to be very interesting. So this I am really enjoying, and like I said, I'm going to bookmark this so I can go in further and try to learn some things that will help me as a teacher, as a nurse, and especially as a communicator.